guys, today, oh my god, I do not have on lip balm. This Pharmacy lip balm is my current favorite right now. I'm loving this one. We are going to an event with Beekman 1802 this morning. I'm gonna take you guys with me, and then after that, we probably will head over to Brooklyn for a little bit because I have not did like a good solid work day where I take myself to a cafe and work in a while. So I really want to do that. And I'm gonna find my favorite black owned cafe in Brooklyn that I like to go to. But we have to go. We gotta catch the train because we need to be there at 10:15, and it's gonna take me like a good hour to get there. So let's go.
First you, then the people around you.
It was never ending. It literally was never ending. I pulled it in and we were like, no, we're going back. That was a hava. Oh, it's a video? It's a video? I was doing a vlogging. We're done. We did it. We're so tired. Wait, like, you're like a dancer. So, like, well, you know. Yeah. I gotta whip it out a little. You know, some of the girls when I'm
Thank you. Good morning. It is 10:37 and I just got my 5K steps for the day. I did pretty good today and yesterday. Yesterday was such a fun day. It was so nice to go into the city. The place I went to, it's called The Butcher's Daughter in LES, Lower East Side. Really fell in love with that place. The aesthetic, loved the vibe. They also had vegan options, had a really good sweet potato pizza with like roasted Brussels sprouts on it, cashew cheese, and some other like things. It was such a good pizza. Oh my god, it was so good. So super excited to go there. They also had a juice bar, so I had like this really good juice. I don't remember what was in it, but it was really good. Really good juice. So yeah, yesterday was a good day, and like that Beekman 1802 event was so much fun. I'm so glad you guys finally came with me to an event. That was so much fun. I feel like I need to do more high intensity workouts to like challenge my body and also just really increase my cardio. But I really enjoyed that. Like that was so much fun. So I hope you guys liked it. Today, I need to go through my memory card and see what videos I need to edit. I'm still trying to develop a schedule, but I'm going to film tomorrow. I have a couple videos that I'm going to be filming tomorrow. So we're still prepping for New York Fashion Week. I actually got two more event invites for Fashion Week, which they say that's how it goes. They say that's how it goes. As it gets closer to New York Fashion Week, more brands reach out, they want you there. So like I have 2 more events next week. Actually, I have one on Friday. We have one on Friday, and then we have the Saturday one, which is the original, and then we have one on the 11th at 2. So we have 3 New York Fashion Week events, which is really great. Today we did 5,971 steps and we walked for 2 miles, almost 3, but I wanted to get back home because tonight we have another event with EOS. We also have a masterclass with Anastasia Beverly Hills for their foundation. Remember, we unboxed it last week and I told you guys like I wanted to get more information about the foundation because a lot of people have been talking about it, but I just want to hear from the brand, and I still to this day feel like there should be more shades. I'm gonna make myself a chickpea and spinach iron bowl because that's what I like. Guys, I don't feel like getting my step stool, so I'm gonna use my chair.
Especially around my hairline.
Time with them. So I will pass it over to Claudia and Anastasia, and I will share a deck if you would like me to. So
foundation and our setting spray. I guess we'll start off with the Impeccable Second Skin Matte Foundation.
Sometimes I like them, sometimes I don't. So I prep my skin.
Anastasia's going to do a quick demo on half of her face.
Half of my face. And blend. Okay, this is perfect. You go and you move to the shorter bristle.
So I'm still in this masterclass with Anastasia Beverly Hills, and we're talking about the new Luminous Foundation. So one of my biggest questions for Anastasia herself and Claudia, or Nirvana, I think that's her name, is would they expand the shades? And they said that over time they will expand the shades. I also asked if they would consider the deeper shades to be flexible because the shades that I saw on the chart and on the website, they seem to be like all really cool and neutral toned for like the undertone category. So I asked if they considered it flexible and they said yes, but the biggest thing I just wanted to hear is that they are going to expand shades. So fingers crossed for a shade expansion. I know foundation development takes time, but that's why we just have to continuously use our voices and let brands know that more shades need to be developed or more shades need to be seen.
Sure that it's the same when it's scaled up.
Takes a lot of time and a lot of work to have a finished good. To have this finished, it takes time because what you make in the lab is completely different when you scale to huge quantities. Everything changes. That's why I personally approve everything eyebrows every time. So if we place an order today for, let's say, Brow Wiz, they will start producing that, but they will not go in production until they send me and I approve this.
All right, y'all, that masterclass is done. And now your girl is going over to New York to go to an event with EOS. I am so dressed down, and there's like a part of me that feels really bad about this, but there's also a part of me that just does not have the energy to like put on like full, like a dress and heels and the Ola Henriksen lip balms. Okay, usually I wear cocoa cream, but today I'm wearing strawberry sorbet. This one. I know you guys are probably like, dang, when is she gonna clean this background? Eventually. Let's just keep it real. Eventually. But we're gonna go to New York. Let's order this Uber. Luckily, the brand is paying for my ride. Shout out to the brand, because these Uber prices out here in New York are absolutely criminal. Alright guys, I made it to the event. I just have to cross the street. It's across the street and we'll be there. But let's go meet EOS, hang out, and see what new products they have, because apparently there's a bunch of new stuff out. I think they have like new body oils, lotion, shower gel, stuff like that. So let's see what's new.
For, you know, personal care, hygiene, grooming, and doing it all in a way that happens to be beautiful. And other categories, and so like, where can we go next that we've launched? And I hope you'll all agree, you know, when you take your products home and try it out, that we have not disappointed. We are thrilled with the fragrance experience that we are delivering.
So cute. Raven? Yes. Great. I love that name. And sorry, did you have and for the lotion? Sorry. Thank you so much. Have a good night.
So I just came here to honestly get some inspiration, because I still would like to find a couple more looks for New York Fashion Week, and I decided to come to Target because I'm supporting Nas. I'm supporting Nas. So let's see what I can find. I hope I can find something cute for New York Fashion Week. Oh my god, I also really love this. This is so cute. Am I crazy? The right answer is absolutely yes. But I was really inspired by Nas, and I'm always inspired by Nas. She's a really, really great friend. And we're also in the collective together this year. So I'm big on supporting the collective babes, just in general, and just people. But the entire collection is really good. Like, I really like everything from this collective drop. So they did a really good job with selecting who they selected, obviously. Now I need to go home and try this stuff on. I was gonna go to the fitting room and try it on, but you know what? I really just want to go home. I want to try it on from my house, mix and match, play with what I got, and put a look together. But y'all, I'm crazy. I'm really going crazy. I've like lost my mind. I have really lost my mind. But you know what? Something that I also learned from Nas's video is that you should always look your best, no matter what. So that's the thing. And then I want to do like a street style inspired look. So I love this bag because I'm big on using my voice this year. That's my biggest thing that I want to do. So I want to use my voice more, and then obviously supporting the Black artists and designers from the Target drop, because that's what I want to do. Because I don't even want to talk about it, but I'm still supporting the Black artists from this Black History Collection drop, so I'm getting those too. Probably gonna grab just some other essentials. One of these is like a skirt look, so I want to get some tights for that, and I should be good. I have other purses I can use, but I'm just gonna grab the tights and I'm gonna go home and we're gonna try all this stuff on. But this is what I ordered from Eloquy. This is probably my favorite outfit that I've ordered in a while, just because it's very comfortable. It's just, I feel like I can eat, breathe, sleep, and do all the things in this. It is a little long. That's the only thing. It is long. But like, a part of me likes it, but I also don't know what shoe to wear with it. So for now, I just put these on, thinking that there could be an option. I do like it tucked. So maybe. I'm not wearing this tomorrow because I have 4 events. Tomorrow I'm wearing jeans. I'm gonna try on some jeans that I got too, just for like a casual, cute look. They don't hurt, but I want to be flat on the ground. Okay, what do we think? The happiness that I have right now, I have not had the best luck finding a pair of cargo pants that actually fit. I've been trying to find a good pair of cargo pants since last year. And what I love the most about these is that they have an elastic waist. But I love the fact that these have an elastic waist. Everything is from Target. I got this today at Target. This is from the Future Collective. This is a Nyfw. This is a size 18. I feel like I could almost size down, but this is like perfect. Just with a pair of shoes. Just put these on for poops and giggles. I do wish it's just because I'm like, I guess my height. I'm like, oh my god, oh my god. Oh my god, I'm so freaking happy right now. I don't know what to do with myself, I'm so happy. I finally have a pair of cargo pants that fit me. Like, ugh, I don't think you guys understand. It was such a struggle for so long to find a decent pair of cargo pants with just these 2 pockets on the side. I could cry right now. I literally could cry. This is definitely, I might wear these jeans tomorrow. Actually, I probably will. I think I might wear them with maybe like a graphic tee or like a graphic sweater or like some sweater because I'm gonna be like on the train moving around. I'm definitely wearing my Chucks. I'm not wearing heels. Oh my god. It's like, I feel like I could freaking cry. How much were these? $35. They were worth all $35. Alright guys, I am back in my comfy shirt. So we're gonna wrap this vlog up. Ow! Ow! We're gonna wrap this vlog up. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I hope you enjoyed the events that we did today. EOS, Beekman 1802. And the little try on haul that we have for New York Fashion Week. Yeah, so I'll see you guys in a little bit. So I have an event on Friday, which is today, the day you're seeing this video. I have 2 events today, and then I have another one tomorrow on Saturday, and then I have my last one on the 11th, and then that'll be it for New York Fashion Week for me. Honestly, I feel like that is more than enough because from what I hear, it gets really crazy. We're gonna wrap up. I'm gonna go to bed, wash my face. But I hope you guys enjoyed the vlog, and I'll see you in a little bit. Love you, bye. And we're almost at 10,000 subscribers. Hopefully by next week's vlog, we would have hit 10,000. Hopefully. Well, we'll see. All right. Bye. See you next week.